This will be a comic book pop art style makeup, and I hope you like it.
So Barbie is gonna teach us how she did her makeup step by step.
Please don't scroll. I'm just trying to become a big content creator one day, but I have no supporters. So if you have the chance, please subscribe.
Barbie is a great Barbie. So we're gonna join her on her makeup tutorial to know how she does her makeup. So Barbie teaching us how to do makeup. So if like this is your first time of seeing this video or seeing our video, do it to give us a thumbs up, and also do it to like and also share. Do it to comment and tell me what you think about those videos. Oh, don't forget to watch to the end, because Barbie is doing a great job. She gonna teach us how she does her makeup step by step.
Draw a straight line down the center of the nose and
Gonna follow her step. So this is the straight line. Yeah.
draw lines on either side of the bridge of the nose and around the nostrils.
Start here, go. Okay. And here.
And the jawbone, the chin, and under the cheekbone.
The cheek. Starting from here. Okay, this one is small line, and also here. Gonna curve it down to this place. Small. And join it.
You can also outline the most prominent parts of the ear, which is really fun and makes the ear look multidimensional.
And how am I supposed to draw the ear? Oh my god. Okay, let's try it together. And this place, she drew it like this. Ooh. It is. Right. Yeah, together.
We're gonna do the eyes. Fill in thick black eyebrows with a liquid liner. Then,
So next we're gonna do the eyes. We're gonna do the eyes. So we select from here and do it like this. This. And also eyeliner. Gonna do it together.
use any color you want for the eyeshadow as long as it's bright and fun.
Okay, the next step is eyeshadow. Used a yellow eyeshadow. We're gonna use a yellow eyeshadow.
Outline the eyeshadow, joining up to the eyeliner, and thicken the eyeliner to match.
We're gonna draw the eyeliner here. Under the eyeshadow. And also here. Under the eye. To match it.
And line underneath the bottom lash line and draw in some exaggerated lashes at the edges. And lips. First, outline the lips. Then, fill in the lips with a bright lipstick color, leaving a small rectangular shape in one of the
Let's outline the lips.
Then, dots. Lots and lots of dots. With the bottom end of a makeup brush, apply makeup and dots all over the face.
Dots. Lot of dots. And finally, we are here. So, what do you think about this Barbie makeup tutorial? So, drop your opinion on the comment section. Tell me what you think about the makeup. If I try or if I did exactly what Barbie did. So, tell me your opinion and also tell me where I made a mistake so that on the next video I will drop in. I will know my correction and you tell me where I made a mistake or if I didn't. Just give me a thumbs up and also tell me your own opinion. Do it to subscribe for more amazing videos like this because we'll be dropping amazing Barbie makeup very soon. So do it to share and also do it to subscribe and also turn on the notification bell. See you on another Barbie makeup tutorial like this.
Finally, the hair. I like to go with a brightly colored wig, but you can also look at comic books for ideas. So that is my makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you have a fun and safe Halloween. It's one of my favorite holidays. On Halloween, you could be anything you want. In fact, could you leave a comment below and tell me what you're gonna dress up as? Peace!
Bye!